Well, I got the idea for this tutorial from the members forum, where somebody posted a painting they'd done of an old barn, and one or two members had said how much they'd like to do something like that. So I looked on Shutterstock and found this fantastic old, like a Dutch barn shape, very weathered under a really heavy sky, and it's Saskatchewan in Canada. But it doesn't so much matter where it is, it's the techniques we're going to explore, the light against dark and dark against light of that structure. On a very flat prairie, quite a lot of detail to do in the barn itself. I really enjoyed it, it's great fun to do. Lovely loose foreground, and then we've got to get our teeth into the detail of the barn. Great fun.